Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a birth affidavit. A birth affidavit is a crucial legal document used when an official birth certificate is unavailable. It serves as sworn proof of birth, often required for essential processes like obtaining a passport, social security card, or enrolling in school. This document is typically completed by two individuals, known as affiants, who possess direct, personal knowledge of the birth event. Understanding its purpose is the first step in preparing it correctly. Before you begin drafting, it's essential to gather all necessary information. You'll need the full legal name, date of birth, and place of birth for the individual concerned. Additionally, collect the full names, addresses, and contact details for two credible affiants. These individuals must be at least 18 years old and have first-hand knowledge of the birth. Any supporting documents, such as old medical records or baptismal certificates, should also be collected to strengthen your application. When drafting your birth affidavit, it's best to use a standard form, which you can often find on government websites or through legal aid services. Clearly state the relationship of each affiant to the individual and precisely how they have personal knowledge of the birth. Include specific details like the exact date, time, and location of birth, if known. Always ensure that all information provided is accurate and consistent with any supporting documents you have gathered. The final crucial step involves notarization and submission. Both affiants must sign the birth affidavit in the physical presence of a notary public. The notary will verify their identities and administer an oath, confirming the truthfulness of the statements. Be prepared to pay any required notarization fees, which typically range from $5 to $20 per signature. Once completed and notarized, submit the affidavit to the requesting authority, along with any other necessary documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.